ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्। संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। नमस्कारः। मम नाम उमा। अद्य अस्माकं परिचयवर्गः आरम्भं कुर्मः। अहं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतं करोमि। आशा अस्ति भवतां सर्वेण सह महतीं एक शिक्षणयात्रा भविष्यति इति शुभकामनाया सह आरम्भं कुर्मः। अद्यतनवर्गः आरम्भं कुर्मः। So I welcome you all. We'll start our class today. So first we'll be doing Punasmaranam. That is, we will just have a small recap of what you have learnt already in Pravesha. Okay. Once we have that, then we can move on to the Parichaya level. And in this, what I was planning is I wanted all of you to participate in it. It will not be a one-side conversation is what I want. Okay. So it will be like the grammar portions and all I will be teaching. Maybe the first lesson I'll just show you how you have to present. Then from the next class onwards, you will have to present all the other Vishayaha. Those are there, all the other topics which are there, those you will be presenting. Okay, so that's how our classes will go on. So I want all of you to participate. So when you do that, you will have a good, first of all, you will learn better. Secondly, you will also improve your language. You can make your own sentences. You can, when you do that, automatically you will learn more. So if I keep on telling all the answers and I keep on saying everything, it might not help you to that extent. Okay, so that is how it is going on, and whoever is participating, everybody will have to participate in this also. Okay, so let's start the class today. So in Parichaya level, what we have is the Vyakaranam. Vyakaranam portion is there. So in this Vyakaranam portion, you have all these topics. Visheshya Visheshana Bhavaha, Swara Sandhi or Ach Sandhi, Purna Pratyanta Rupa, Purna Pratyantaha, Chitchana Prayogaha, Ling Lakaraha, Karmani Prayogaha. So Karmani Prayoge Vartamana Kale Katham Vayam Karmani Prayogam Kurmaha. इक्तप्रत्यय भूतकाल लोट्लकारे कथं कर्मणि प्रयोगः कुर्मः इति पठामः। तव्यत् अनीयर् भवति भावे प्रयोगः भवेत्। अस्तु, अन्यविषयाः. So these are the topics where you will have to participate. You will have to comment. Okay. व्यावहारिक शब्दावली, चातुश्लोकः, समस्या, सुभाषितं, काव्यकथा, अन्वयक्रमः, Sangrahahya Vishayaha, Parampara or Shloka, which is given in the last. No? So all these things you will have to do. Okay. So we will do this together. Anya Vishayaha, we will do it together. I will help you. You will have to present all these. Okay. So today we will start with the recap. Okay. So in this we know Punasmaranam, Kriya Padam. So we have already learnt about the various Kriya Pada. isn't it? Various kriya in your pravesha itself. That is, you have the parasmaipadi, atmanepadi, ubhayapadi. So, ubhayapadi is the dhatus that can be used as parasmaipadi and atmanepadi. Like you have the pach dhatu, isn't it? The pach dhatu can be used as pachate, can be used as pachati. Okay, so like that. So parasmaipadi we all know there are a lot of dhatus. So can one of you tell 2 examples of parasmaipadi dhatu? Just raise your hand. One of you just raise your hand. I'll. हाँ, शारदा भगिनी बद
पचति पचतः पचन्ति पचसि पचतः पचतः
ना भगिनी 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 I am saying give me the names of the dhatu. I am not asking you the lat lakara. We will come to that next. Just the two dhatu names you give. In parasmaipadi just give 2 dhatu names. Just a recap. Creed dhatu is there. Creedati itya. Then one more
vadati. Dhav dhatu.
Dhav, very good. Dhav is also that, dhavati. In atmanepadi can you give
immediately
vand dhatu. Samyak, vand dhatu.
Yeah.
Anyate
another maybe slag.
Shlag, samyak. Slaghate iti agachati kila. Slaghate. Kampate, samyak. So these are all the parasmaipadi, atmanepadi and ubhayapadi dhatus that we have. So the kriya padam is there in all these 3 types. Then you have the tenses, right? So that is a lat lakaraha, lang lakaraha, zit lakaraha, lot lakaraha. You have learnt these in pravesha. Lat lakaraha is vartamana kalaha, lang lakaraha is bhuta kalaha, zit lakara bhavishyat kalaha, lot lakaraha is prarthana, isn't it? So this we have learnt. So now we will have a small recap of this lat lakara. Okay. So in lat lakara, pat dhatu. One of you can say pat dhatu. Sharada Raman Bhagini, say pat dhatu.
The pat what you are saying?
Pathati.
Patati patatah patanti, patasi patatah patatha, patami patavah patamaha.
Samyak, bahu samyak. Deepti Bhagini, lang lakaram vadatu.
Apathat, apathatam, apathan, apathaha, apathatam, apathatha, apathama, apathami, apathava,
apatham, na bhagini, apatham, apathava, apathama. Apatham, apathava, apathama.
Okay. I didn't notice. Okay, thank you. Apatham, apathama.
No, it's okay. You should have said it on your own. That's okay, correct. What you did is right. Zit lakaraha. Anya kopi Usha Bhagini. Vadatu. Everybody has to participate. Don't keep mum. It has to be an interactive session. Only then you will learn. Usha Bhagini Vadatu. Zit lakaram.
Bhavishyat padishyati, padishyatah, padishyanti, padishyasi, padishyatah, padishyata, padishyami, padishyavaha, padishyamaha.
Samyak. Bahu samyak. Lot lakaram. Anyakya Geeta Krishnan Bhagini Vadatu lot lakaraha.
Patatu, patatam, patantu, patata, patatam, patata, patani, patava.
Eka nimsham Geeta Bhagini. Pathatu, pathatam, pathantu, patha, pathatam, pathata, vadatu.
Patami, patava, patama.
Samyak. Okay. So here I have given the complete how the how the lakaras decline. Now I will give you few dhatus. Now you will have to tell me these lakaras. Okay. Now we have the gum dhatu. Who will say gum dhatu? Raise your hand. Vadatu. Deepti Bhagini vadatu. Gum dhatu.
गच्छति गच्छतः
गम धातु
गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति
एक निमिषं दीप्ति भगिनी वदतु
ओके मैडम गम धातु लट् लकार पठति पठतः पठन्ति
पठति न गम धातु कथं भवति
गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति गच्छसि गच्छतः गच्छत गच्छामि गच्छावः गच्छामः
सम्यक्
गम धातु लङ् लकार अगच्छन् अगच्छत् अगच्छताम् अगच्छन् अगच्छः अगच्छतम् अगच्छत अगच्छम् अगच्छाव अगच्छाम गम धातु लिट् लकार गमिष्यति गमिष्यतः गमिष्यन्ति गमिष्यसि गमिष्यथः गमिष्यथ गमिष्यामि गमिष्यावः गमिष्यामः गम धातु लोट् लकार गच्छतु गच्छतां गच्छन्तु गच्छ गच्छतं गच्छत गच्छानि गच्छाव गच्छाम
बहु सम्यक् खाद् धातु शारदा भगिनी वदतु म्यूट् मध्ये भवति वदतु शारदा भगिनी
माता
वदतु भगिनी
खादतः खादन्ति खादसि खादतः खादत खादामि खादावः खादामः लङ् लकारः अक्कदन् नो I forgotten
खाद् कथं
can't hear mata
am I audible to all of you
yeah audible
अखाद अखादताम् अखादन्
अखादतः अखादताम् अखादतन्
अखादन्
अखादन् नो अखादः
one more time you say
अखादम् अखादः अखातः अखादः
न लङ् लकार न you tell again लङ् लकार
अखादत् अखादत् अखादताम् अखादम् अखादः अखादतम् अखादः अखादन् अखादाव अखादाम
अखादम् अखादाव अखादाम अस्तु झृट् लकारं वदतु
खादतु खादतां खादन्तु खादतां खादत खादानि खादावः खादामः
खादामः नास्ति खादाव खादाम खादावः if you say it becomes lat lakaram isn't it so this is that is the difference between lat and lot
yes
in lat it is khadavah in lot it will be only khadava
okay
so that
okay
astu samyak these are very important no to form everything for to form sentences and all so you have to practice this creed dhatu का वदति उषा भगिनी वा वदतु
लट् धातु क्रीडति
लट् धातु नास्ति एकनिमिषं लट् धातु नास्ति लट् लकारः भवति क्रीड धातु भवति क्रीड क्रीडति आरम्भं
क्रीडति क्रीडति क्रीडतः क्रीडन्ति क्रीडसि क्रीडतः क्रीडत क्रीडामि क्रीडावः क्रीडामः लट्
लङ् लकारः
little bit difficult ma'am
अक्रीडत्
अक्रीडत् अक्रीडत् अक्रीडताम् अक्रीडन् अक्रीड अक्रीडत
अक्रीडः अक्रीडः
अक्रीडः अक्रीडधम् अक्रीडद अक्रीडम् अक्रीडाव अक्रीडाम
सम्यक्
लिट् लकारः क्रीडिष्यति क्रीडिष्यतः क्रीडिष्यन्ति क्रीडिष्यामि
क्रीडिष्यसि
क्रीडिष्यति
मध्यमपुरुषः वदतु क्रीडिष्यसि
क्रीडिष्यति क्रीडिष्यतः क्रीडिष्यन्ति
क्रीडिष्यथ
क्रीडिष्यथ
प्रथमपुरुषः कथं भवति पठिष्यति पठिष्यतः पठिष्यन्ति तादृशमेव क्रीडिष्यति क्रीडिष्यतः क्रीडिष्यन्ति मध्यमपुरुष क्रीडिष्यसि क्रीडिष्यथः क्रीडिष्यथ
क्रीडिष्यामि क्रीडिष्यावः क्रीडिष्यामः
सम्यक् लोट्
लोट् क्रीडिष्यतु क्रीडतु क्रीडतां
क्रीडतु क्रीडतां
क्रीडन्तु ग्रिट्
क्रीड क्रीड
क्रीड क्रीड क्रीडथं क्रीडथ क्रीडा क्रीडानि क्रीडाव क्रीडाम
सम्यक् बहु सम्यक् अनन्तरं गीता कृष्णन् भगिनी पच् धातु वदतु पचति
पट् धातु
पच् पच्
पचति पचतः पचति पचतः पचन्ति पचसि पचतः पचत पचामि पचावः पचामः लङ् लकार अपचत् अपचत् अपचताम् अपच्छन् अपचः अपचतम् अपचत अपचम् अपचाव अपचाम
सम्यक्
भविष्यत्काल अपश्यति
नास्ति तत्
पचिष्यति
पचिष्यति
it will be coming भविष्यत्
सम्यक् एव पचिष्यति पचिष्यतः पचिष्यन्ति
पशिष्यसि पशिष्यतः पशिष्यत
पचिष्यथ
पशिष्यामि
पचिष्यामि
पशिष्यामि पशिष्यावः पशिष्यामः पचतु पचतां पठन्तु
पचन्तु
पचत पच पचतं पचत
एकवारं पुनः वदतु
पचानि
एकवारं पुनः वदतु भगिनी गीता भगिनी एकवारं पुनः वदतु पचतु पचतां पचन्तु पच पचतं पचत पचानि पचाव पचाम वदतु एकवारं पचतु
पचतु पचतां पचत
पचन्तु
पच पचतं
भगिनी स्लो there is no hurry पचतु finish off the prathama purushah first पचतु पचतां पचन्तु
पचतु पचतां पचन्तु पच पचतं पचत पचानि पचाव पचाम
सम्यक् बहु सम्यक् नम् धातु का वदति मल्लिका भगिनी वदति वा अस्तु दीप्ति भगिनी वदतु
ओके नम धातु लट् लकार नमति नमतः नमन्ति नमसि नमथ नमतः नमन्ति नमामि नमावः
न भगिनि एकवारं पुनः वदतु।
ओके नम धातु लट् लकार नमति नमतः नमन्ति नमसि नमथः नमथ नमामि नमावः नमामः।
वेरी गुड। लङ् लकार
लङ् लकार अनमत् अनमताम् अनमन् अनमः अनमतम् अनमत अनमम् अनमाव अनमाम।
सम्यक्।
लिरुट् लकार नमिष्यति नमिष्यतः नमिष्यन्ति नमिष्यसि नमिष्यथः नमिष्यथ नमिष्यामि नमिष्यावः नमिष्यामः। लोट् लकार नमतु नमतां नमन्तु नम नमतं नमत नमानि नमाव नमाम।
बहु सम्यक्। अस्तु,
धन्यवाद।
So now we will see the Atmanepati. Okay. So the Atmanepati Rupam for lat Band dhatu. का वदति? आनन्दी भगिनी वक्तुं शक्यते वा? न। अस्तु, शारदा भगिनी वदतु। न, वन्द धातु वदतु।
Little I forgotten, madam.
It is there on the screen.
वन्दते वन्देते वन्दन्ते वन्दसे वन्देते
वन्दद्वे
वन्दद्वे वन्दे वन्दावहे वन्दामहे।
सम्यक्। लङ् लकार
अवन्दत् अवन्दताम्
अवन्दत। एकनिमिषम्। अवन्दत, डोंट से अवन्दत्, अवन्दत।
अवन्दताम् अवन्दतः
इरु 1 minute। अवन्दत अवन्देताम् अवन्दन्त।
ओके। अवन्दत अवन्देताम् अवन्दत
अवन्दन्त
अवन्दन्त
अवन्दथाः
अवन्दताः अवन्देताम्
अवन्दध्वम्
अवन्दत्वम् अवन्दे अवन्दावहि अवन्दामहि।
बहु सम्यक्। झृट् लकारं
वन्दिष्यते वन्दिष्येते वन्दिष्यन्ते वन्दिष्यसे वन्दिष्येते वन्दिष्येते
वन्दिष्यद्वे
वन्दिष्यद्वे
वन्दिष्ये
वन्दिष्ये वन्दिष्यावहे वन्दिष्यामहे।
अस्तु, लोट् लकार
वन्दतां वन्देतां नो सारी
करेक्ट् ओन्लि से वन्दतां वन्देतां वन्दन्ताम् वन्दतां
वन्देद्वं वन्दे वन्दै वन्दावहे वन्दामहे।
अस्तु, सम्यक्।
वन्दामहे सारी
वन्दै वन्दावहै वन्दामहै।
वन्दै वन्दावहै वन्दामहै।
अनन्तरं मुद् धातु का वदति? उषा भगिनी वदति वा? मुद् इत्युक्ते किं? मुद् धातु
எப்படி மேம் ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணனும்? அத முத்தா
முத் धातुல என்ன வரும்? what will come? मोदते
मोदति
मुद् is मोदते। मुद् धातु is मोदते।
मोदते ओके ओके
now say
मोदते मोदते मोदन्ते
मोदते मोदेते मोदन्ते
मोदते मोदेदे मोदेदे मोदन्ते मोदसे मोदेदे मोदद्वे मोदे मोदावहे मोदामहे।
सम्यक्।
लट् लकारः
लङ् लकारः
लङ् लकारः आम् मोदत् अमोदन्ताम्
अमोदत् नास्ति, अमोदत।
अमोदत अमो मोदन्ताम् अमोदन्त
अमोदत अमोदेताम् अमोदन्त। अमोदत अमोदेताम् अमोदन्त।
अमोदत अमोदेताम् अमोदन्त। अमोदथाः
सम्यक्।
अमोदथाम्
अत्र पश्यतु वन्देताम् इति वन्देताम्। How is it? Ekaram is there, no? Here one ekaram. That ekaram you don't leave.
Okay.
Avandetam. Even though it is vandate, it is avandetam. Similarly, modate, modetam, modetam, modetham. Like that.
Modetham, modatham, amodatham.
Amodadhvam. Amodadhvam. Samyak.
Amodate,
amode, vande, amode.
Amode, मोदावहि मोदामहि।
अमोदावहि। सम्यक्। लिट् लकारम्।
लिट् लकारम्। मोदिष्यते मोदिष्येधे मोदिष्यन्ते मोदिष्यसे मोदिष्येधे मोदिष्यद्वे मोदिष्ये मोदिष्यावहे मोदिष्यामहे।
सम्यक्। लोट्।
लोट् मोदन्ते
मोदेतां
मोदन्तां मोदत्स्व मोदेथां मोदत्वं मोदै मोदावहै वहे मोदामहे।
मोदामहै। सम्यक्। बहु सम्यक्।
मोदावहै मोदामहे।
Here it is the same thing. You see lat and rit. Okay, that is the Vartamana Kala and Bhavishyat Kala. The form is the same. Okay, form is the same. Here also you see same thing only. Vandate, vandete, vandante. Here you will see vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante. Only that ishya is there. That is what is added. Otherwise, lat and rit, if you see, the formation is the same. Here also vandase, here also say only. Vandishyate, vandishyase. So like that. So it is the same. Even vande, vandishye, same formation. Similarly, lung and lot also, if you see, almost the same. Right?
Yes.
I won't say it is same. It is little bit, but still you can see some kind of see vandetam, avandetam. Here it is vandetam, avandetam, vandetham. Okay, same thing. Okay, so these things you can just keep in mind. Here only it is different. Avandathaha. Here it is avandasva will come. Okay. So a little bit difference, but just make it, because these are very, very important for you. These are very important. You have to know this and the shabdas also. Okay, so we have to know that. So next is sah dhatu, and then which dhatu forms what? Mud. If you say mud, the word what we use is modate, isn't it? So mud dhatu is modate. So we need to understand that also. Similarly, sah dhatu. Sah, who will say?
Ji, I'll try. Anandi.
Anandi Bhagini. Try. Please try.
Sahate, sahate, sahante.
Sahate, sahete, sahante.
Sahase, sahate,
sahete,
sahete, sahadete, say.
Sahadve.
Sahade, sahabahe,
Sahavahe,
sahabahe, सहामहे
Hmm.
असहदत्
Okay, I will do one thing now. Okay, now for everyone I will give 2 minutes. All of you take the notebook and write down sah dhatu, then kamp dhatu. For both you just write fast. Okay, I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes. Write it down fast. You have
Ma'am,
to
which
practice.
one? Saha?
Sah
Saha dhatu and
dhatu and kamp dhatu. The next one. Vriddh dhatu is what? Vriddh is what?
grow.
What is
Is that grow? Grow? Is that
vriddh?
grow?
So how will that word come?
Vruddhate, yeah.
Vardhate.
Yeah.
Vriddh is vardhate. Save is sevate. So any two dhatus you can write. Anything you choose. Sah, kamp, vriddh, save, anything you choose, write two. Okay? Or even one is also okay. You write. Right, and then I will ask you all. Which one are you writing, Deepti Bhagini?
Saha dhatu and vruddha dhatu.
Vriddh dhatu. You first write vriddh dhatu. Usha Bhagini, what are you writing?
Kampate.
Kampate. Kamp dhatu. Astu. Sharada Bhagini?
Kamp dhatu and Vard dhatu.
Vriddh dhatu. Astu. Anandi Bhagini?
सहधातु I'll write.
Sah dhatu you write. Okay, right. Come. I'll give you 2 minutes. Once you finish, let me know.
All the lakaras we need to complete, no?
Yes, complete all the lakaras.
Okay, it will take some more time.
No problem. Right now.
Yeah, 1 second, just last one.
Shall I read, madam? वर्तते लट्लकार वर्तमानकाल वृद्ध धातु वर्तते वर्तेते वर्तन्ते वर्तसे वर्तेते वर्तत्वे वर्ते वर्तावहे वर्तामहे लट्लकार है वतिष्यति वतिष्येते वतिष्यन्ते वतिष्यसे वतिष्येते वतिष्यन् यद्वे वतिष्यद्वे वर्तिष्ये वर्तिष्यावहे वर्धिष्यामहे लङ्लकारः अवर्धत् अवर्धताम् अवर्धन् अवर्धन्त अवर्धताः अवर्धेताम् अवर्धेद्वम् अवर्धत्वम् अवर्धै अवर्धावहे अवर्धामहि दे then lot lakar vartatam vartetam vartantam vartasva vartetam vartadvam vartai vartavahai vartamahai
Me only took word. Okay.
viruddha dhatu yeah viruddha dhatu yes yes oh okay yeah oh okay
Can I tell me one? Yeah. Lat lakara, vriddhi dhatu. Yes. Vardhate, vardhete, vardhante. Vardhase, vardhathe, vardhat होते. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. एक ही मात्रा I will put 1 minute. Okay. 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 Correct now. वर्धसे, वर्धेथे, वर्धध्वे. वर्धे, वर्धावहे, वर्धामहे. Then लंग लकार. अवर्धत, अवर्धेताम, अवर्धन्त. अवर्धथाः, अवर्धेथाम्, अवर्धध्वम्. अवर्धे, अवर्धावहि, अवर्धामहि. लिरुट् लकार वर्धिष्यते, वर्धिष्येते, वर्धिष्यन्ते, वर्धिष्यसे, वर्धिष्येथे, वर्धिष्यध्वे, वर्धिष्ये, वर्धिष्यावहे, वर्धिष्यामहे. Then it comes to lot lakar vardhatam, vardhetam, vardhantam, vardhasva, vardhetham, vardhadhvam, vardhe, vardhavahai, vardhamahai.
I'll do saha. Let sahate, sahete, sahante. Sahase, sahate, sahadve. जी सहते, सहते, सहद्वे. सहद सहसे, सहते, सहद्वे. Sahete. Okay. Next one, sahe, sahabahe, sahamahe. Next one, asahat, sahetam, asahatta. Okay, okay. Asahatta, asahetam, asahanta, asahatta, taha, asahetam, asahadvam, asahe, asahavahi, asahamayi, mahi. Sahishyate, sahishtete, sahishyante, sahishyante, sahishyase, sahishyete, sahishyadve, sahishye, sahishyavahe, sahishyamahe. Sahatam, sahetam, sahentam. Sahantam, sahatam, sahetam, sahentam. Okay ji. Sahaswa, sahetam, sahatvam, sahai, sahavahai, sahamahai.
No, not completed, madam. Just I say, madam. Kamba, lat laharam. Kampate, kampete, kamptante, kampante. Okay. Kampase, kamptede, kambatve, kampe, kamtavahe, kamtamahe.
இல்ல one more time please.
Kambe,
கம்பே, கம்பாவஹே,
கம்பாவஹே, கம்பாமஹே. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து பவிஷ்யதி.
अस्तु अस्तु नृत्
भविष्यति, भविष्यत् काल, कम्पिष्यते, कम्पिष्येते, कम्पिष्यन्ते, कम्पिष्यसे, कम्पिष्येथे, कम्पिष्यत्वे, कम्पिष्ये, कम्पिष्यावहे, कम्पिष्यामहे. भूतकालः. This one is difficult me for me. Kampishat,
kampata. See here. Just understand this. Vand dhatu is there, no? So you have vandate, correct?
So, yeah, vandate, so it will come easy, ma'am.
No, just listen. Vandate is there. Okay, from there the te is there. Instead of the te, you just put vandata. Okay,
vandata. Okay.
So similarly, kampate is there. So instead of te, you will put kampata. So you will add kampata.
Kampata. Kampetam. Kampanta. Kampanta.
Kampataha.
Kampataha. Kampantetam.
Kampe. Vande is there, no? Similarly, kampe. Kampetam.
Kampetam. Kambatvam.
Kampadvam.
Kambatvam. Kambatvam. Kambe. Kamba.
वही
कम्बावही कम्बामहि
अकम्पावहि अकम्पामहि सम्यक्
नेक्स्ट
लोट्
सारी कम्बथां कम्बेथां कम्पन्तां
कम्पन्तां
कम्पन्तां कम्बत्स्व
कम्पस्व
कम्पस्व कम्तेथां
कम्पेथां कम्पे ते नास्ति तत्र किल कम्पेथां
कम्पेथां कम्पेथां कम्बत्वं कम्बै कम्बावह्यै कम्बामहि महे
बहु सम्यक् understood. We have to practice this. We have to practice this a lot. Then only we will have. Practice is very important. Okay. So, so now we will go to the Vibhakti side. So this also we had done last time, no? Vibhakti. So in Vibhakti, what are the Vibhaktis? We have the 7 types of Vibhakti, and then one we have the Sambodhana Prathama, right? Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. Isn't it? These are the Vibhaktis that we have. So Prathama is what? Prathama is the subject, the one who is doing the work, right? Karta, we call the person Karta. So that is the subject. In English we say he is the subject. Subject means the person who is doing the work. So he is called as the Karta. Okay. Now here we have Balakah Pathati. Pathati iti Kriya Padam Bhavati. That is the doing. What is the work he is doing? He is reading. Pathati, he is reading. Who is reading? Kaha Pathati? Balakah Pathati. So when the answer is Kaha, Ka, all these things, then you have the Karta. That is the Prathama Vibhakti. Okay. When the question is Kaha. Kaha Pathati? Ka Pathati. If I say Balika Pathati, I will say Ka Pathati is the question I will ask. Ka Pathati? Balika. Balika Pathati. So who is reading? Balakaha, Balika, whoever it is. The person doing the work. So Balakaha is the Prathama Vibhakti, that is the Karta. Clear? Next we have the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti is the object, right? Balakaha Pathati. Okay, Kaha Pathati, Balakaha Pathati. Kam Pathati, what is he reading? He is Patham Pathati, Pustakam Pathati. Yatkimapi bhavati. Balakaha Patham, he is reading something. So when you have the answer for Kam Pathati, Kam Pathati, all these things if you have, then you can say that is the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. So when you have the answer for the question Kaha, Ka, this type, then that is the Karta. When you have the answer for Kam or Kam, okay, then you have the answer for the Dvitiya Vibhakti, that which becomes the object. Okay. Balakaha Patham Pathati. Pathati is the Kriya Padam. Kaha Pathati? Balakaha Pathati. So Balakaha Prathama Vibhakti. Kam Pathati? Patham Pathati. So Patham is the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Clear ma? Next we come to the Tritiya. Tritiya is instrument or with. You do work with something. Okay. That is instrument is there. Then you call that as the Tritiya Vibhakti. You use the Tritiya Vibhakti there. Balakaha Kandukena Kridati. Balaka Kridati is what? Verb. Kriya Padam. Kridati, Kriya Padam. Kaha Kridati? Balakaha Kridati. Balakaha is the Karta. So it becomes Prathama Vibhakti. Kena Saha Kridati? Kena Kridati? Kandukena Kridati. With what is he playing? With what is he playing? Kandukam, ball. He is playing with the ball. So Kandukena Kridati. So that is the Tritiya. Okay. When answer comes like with Kena Kridati. Okay. Then you have this. Chaturthi. Chaturthi is for something, giving something. All these things comes under the चतुर्थी विभक्ति। बालकः मित्राय पुस्तकं ददाति। ददाति is the क्रियापदम्। कः ददाति? बालकः ददाति। बालकः कर्ता। बालकः प्रथमा विभक्ति भवति अत्र। बालकः किं ददाति? बालकः पुस्तकं ददाति। So किं ददाति? What is he giving? पुस्तकं ददाति. So pustakam becomes the object. So it is the dvitiya vibhakti. Balakah kasmai dadati. To whom is he giving? He is giving it to somebody. So to whoever he is giving, that person comes under the chaturthi vibhakti. So here he is giving it to the friend. So it becomes mitram. So mitram, fourth vibhakti, mitraya. So balakah mitraya pustakam dadati. So usually when you have the words dadati, yachati, you will always have the fourth vibhakti. Okay, so that is fourth. Then panchami. Panchami is from. Isn't it? From somebody. Getting it from somebody or separation. All these things comes under the panchami. We will see that in detail. Just we learn this. Panchami. Balakah रामात् पुस्तकं स्वीकरोति. स्वीकरोति क्रियापदं भवति. कः स्वीकरोति? बालकः स्वीकरोति. बालकः कर्ता प्रथमा. किं स्वीकरोति? पुस्तकं स्वीकरोति. ऑब्जेक्ट. पुस्तकं becomes the object. द्वितीया विभक्ति मध्ये भवति. रामात्. From whom? From Rama. From Rama the boy is taking the book. He is getting the book from Rama. So from Rama. So it is being separated from Rama. So it becomes Ramat. So balakah Ramat pustakam swikaroti iti bhavati. Astu. Anantaram shashti vibhakti. Shashti is usually of or possession. All these things comes under shashti. So shashti Dasharathasya putrah Ramah. So Ramah is who? He is Dasharatha's son. He is Dasharatha's son. Okay. So it is a possession, right? So of Dasharatha, he is the son of Dasharatha. So when we say that Dasharathasya putrah Ramah, Saptami will be for in, on, at, all these things comes under Saptami. So we can say Balakah Kridangane Kridati. So where is he playing? When the answer comes to us for where, when, all these things will always be in Saptami. So Balakah Kridangane Kridati. Putra Kridati, Kridangane Kridati. Where is he playing? Kridangane, in the playground. He is playing in the playground. So Balakah Kridangane Kridati. Okay. Sambodhana we all know. When we are calling out to somebody, then we say Sambodhana. Hey Rama. Like that. So when we say that, it means we are calling out. So that is Sambodhana. This much is clear to all of you?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I think I wanted to do this. Okay, we'll see at least Dvitiya today, and then we'll wind up. Next class will be on Friday. Friday 11 o'clock we'll have the class. So here Dvitiya Vibhakti. So when Dvitiya Vibhakti comes, so we have already seen that is the object or the Karma Padam. So this Karma Padam, Dvitiya Vibhakti usually comes with these words. When these words are there, usually you will use only Dvitiya Vibhakti. When it is Adhivasati, Adhitishtati, Abhitaha, Paritaha, Ubhayataha, Vina, all these things, words usually come along with the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Parvati, Himalayam Adhivasati. Himalayam Adhivasati. So Parvati lives in Himalaya. So Parvati Himalayam Adhivasati. Here we don't use Himalaye Adhivasati. So whenever Adhivasati comes, it is usually Dvitiya Vibhakti only. Deepti Bhagini?
Ma'am, the doubt is Vina also Ditya only. Vina?
Dvitiya and Tritiya. For both we have Vina.
Thank you.
Yeah. It comes with both. I will tell you very briefly, I will tell you when we use Vina with Dvitiya and when we use it with Tritiya. Okay. So, Ramam Vina Sita na gacchati. So, without Rama, she does not go. Okay. Or something like that. Then it becomes Dvitiya. Okay. Then for Abhitaha, Paritaha, Ubhayataha, both the sides, Abhitaha, all these things, you have the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Usually with these words we use Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. So I will wind up here today. Thursday we will continue with the Punasmaran. There are a lot of it. So Vibhaktis and then the other things also we will finish. Okay. Right.
Thank you.
So
Ji already you told Thursday class, no?
Thursday only I'm saying.
No, just now you told Friday, so I have doubt.
Did I say Friday? I think I said Thursday only, no? Thursday only we will have class.
Thursday.
Okay. Thursday.
Okay.
Thursday same 11 o'clock we will have the class.
Okay.
We'll finish with the prarthana. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.